Okay, we continue with the chemical properties of aryl halides today, and it is to be noted it's one of the most important reactions to be done today. Okay, in this reaction, it has been seen that aryl halides are prone to that of electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, but sometimes aryl halides also shows nucleophilic substitution reaction, which is quite surprising. No particular group shows like this way at all. Electrophilic substitution can be easily shown, but nucleophilic substitution, it's a very difficult thing to do it, but still aryl halide has the tendency to do so. I'll show you the whole mechanistic approach today, okay? So aryl halides, when you talk about aryl halides over here, you have, say for example, PSCl, and you've got NO2 plus. It will be going and attacking towards the ortho and para position. Okay, you know it, nitration in 11th standard we have discussed. See, I'm just taking an example. Nitration of chlorobenzene. Nitration of chlorobenzene. Please don't tell me that I have not done all these things. Absolutely wrong. I have done nitration mechanisms and all these things in 11th standard. I know it very well. Okay, so here it is coming up to you what? Chlorobenzene, and you've got conc HNO3. And you've got conc H2SO4. So what you should do? When you've got conc HNO3 and conc H2SO4, this has been giving you what? Because chlorobenzene is an ortho para director. That is why this is considered to be as ortho nitrochlorobenzene, and subsequently you will write it out as para nitrochlorobenzene. You know it very well that chlorobenzene is an ortho para director. Okay, so this is ortho nitrochlorobenzene and subsequently para nitrochlorobenzene is obtained. And over here, NO2 plus, that means electrophile goes and attacks over here. Electrophile, nucleophiles, all these things you know it. I don't have to discuss because it is a long process we have discussed in 11th standard law. So these are orthonitrochlorobenzene and para-nitrochlorobenzene obtained. Okay. Similarly, you can treat this one with conc HNO3, conc H2SO4 again. This has been giving you a 2,4,6 trinitro-chlorobenzene is obtained. This is nitration of chlorobenzene. So here it is coming up to be what? NO2 plus can go and easily attack towards the chlorobenzene in no means time, and you will get this particular product done. No problems. These are all no problems at all, because you know it that nitration of what? Chlorobenzene can be easily done. That is 2,4,6 trinitrochlorobenzene is obtained. But it is very difficult to go for reacting with that in the nucleophiles. Electrophiles will definitely go for ortho and para. But nucleophiles, how it is possible? See this. This is what I wanted to speak about. This in ISC, a lot of questions comes like that way. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Of chlorobenzene. Please see this one. Nucleophilic substitution reaction of chlorobenzene. You see this. Is a chlorobenzene, or we like to write this way. Is a chlorobenzene. And it treats this chlorobenzene with alcoholic KOH. Now see, we are reacting with NaNH2 and ammonia. Okay? Now see students, NaNH2 is exactly works like NaNH2 exactly works like alcoholic KOH. What does alcoholic KOH do? Alcoholic KOH goes for dehydrohalogenation reaction. Alcoholic KOH goes for dehydrohalogenation reaction. Okay, it goes for dehydrohalogenation reaction. Alcoholic KOH will always go for dehydrohalogenation reaction. Now, please see, alcoholic KOH, it will work exactly like alcoholic KOH, NaNH2. NaNH2 is called soda amide. Okay, soda amide. Now see this one. Once you have got chlorobenzene and you are treating this one with NaNH2, that acts as an alcoholic KOH, dehydrohalogenation will be taking place. H and Cl will subsequently be removed out. Once this H and Cl is subsequently removed out, this becomes this. This is called a benzyne, B-E-N-Z-Y-N-E, benzyne mechanism. This is called a benzyne mechanism. Alkyne पढ़े हो, कभी भी benzyne नहीं पढ़े हो. This is the first time you are hearing this one. So benzyne, okay. Alkyne is what? CH triple bond CH. That is acetylene or ethyne. This is a benzyne. Benzene का पास में triple bond is benzyne, and this benzyne intermediate. Huh? Okay, you take this benzyne intermediate, treat this one with ammonia, rotate this. So once it is rotated, this negative charge, this is positive charge, and this is what ammonia. Okay, this ammonia will go and attack over here. ध्यान दो, बड़ी अच्छा क्वेश्चन. देखो नेगेटिव चार्ज जाके अटैक कर रहा कि नहीं बोलेगा. नेगेटिव चार्ज मतलब न्यूक्लियोफाइल. ओके, लोन पेयर मतलब नेगेटिव चार्ज होता है कि नहीं. सो दिस न्यूक्लियोफाइल गोज इन अटैक्स. जहां तुम्हारा अटैक करेगा, सो व्हाट यू शुड गेट इट आउट. यस, सी, यू आर गेटिंग लाइक दिस वे. This N, H, H, H and plus, and this is what negative charge. Let this hydrogen leave the electron and then go. Minus H plus. So what will happen? This will be coming up again to this part or not? This will be coming up again to this part again. This is becoming N, H2, lone pair again, and this is H plus is hanging in air. This is a negative charge. Okay. H plus will go and attack with this one, negative charge, and this is becoming what? This is becoming NH2. This aniline is formed, aniline. This is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is pertained to be as one of the most important reactions in aryl halides. Okay. So we are finished with aryl halides chemical properties also today. So we are starting with Grignard region next class, and after 2 or 3 classes we will be able to finish off this alkyl and aryl halides. Thank you.